Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save money on Cash app. This can be super useful for people who have trouble saving money, and what a simple feature on an app to assist them. Cash app is a full service banking and investing app. You can do peer-to-peer payment, you can have a card where you can spend your balance and even get offers and discounts, and you have this money screen where you have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks and more. Today we are going to talk about this savings feature. First of all, you are going to need Cash app, and once you are signed up and your accounts connected, you can use this cash balance feature at the top to send cash and from your bank account, and then basically everything in the app is connected to this cash balance. So I'm going to tap on this savings feature and I'm going to show you how to use this. So right now my goal is set to $1,000. You can tap update goal here and I can change this to whatever amount I want. Let's change it to 500. Continue. You can select whatever emoji you want as well. I'm just going to use money emoji and then tap on done. Here at the bottom it will show your activity, and now we can basically send money in here or transfer money out. There is also this save automatically feature. So roundups is interesting because whatever you swipe your card, you could use the extra change to be sent here to your savings. For now I'm just going to show you how to transfer in money. So let's say you want to save $5 a day. Just to get this growing, what you want to do is tap on transfer in button, tap the three dots, then you can type however much you want to do. I'm going to type $5 and tap continue. I'm going to scan my face. It's going to give me the transfer details. So $5 one time transfer instantly, and this is going to move here from my cash balance. Tap transfer. You could also do it directly from your bank account if you don't want to do it from your Cash app balance. And now $5 transfer to savings. So there we go. So you could just come in here every day and move a little bit of your money into your savings account that you don't touch for the long term. And as you can see, that move $5 from my cash balance. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.